4-story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, leather seats, rear view camera, cross traffic alert, blind spot monitor. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.